I even need to introduce it because you already know. I look like I'm naked, but I'm not, I promise. And let me see how this turns out. Woo! Jokes away. Bring yous up right and close. Where is that brush? Where are you? I can't find you. Crap, this is all falling. It's gonna drip. Oh boy. Born this, not born this way. Baby, I was born this way. Ah, that hurts. Oh, that was deep. And I'll just pat it out. Bob's your uncle. Hello. And yeah, checking them if teeth were white. They are. Yeah, I'm wearing lip gloss today. I don't normally. Tiniest bit. So where I'm okay. That is very bright. Very, very bright. I'm just gonna blend all. No, not gonna blend. So I'm just gonna, yeah, blend. Okay. What else am I doing? Ultra matte lip. A little brush. A little brush. Shoulders. Collarbones. Full body. Because it is weird. It feels weird. Looks weird, eh? It's the Les Chocolats. I cannot speak French. With that hat, ooh, that closed on me. Don't like it. I just don't like it. I forgot vanilla rose. It's not. Oh, it's colourful, colourful. But they're fine. They're fine. With a glitter liner. Ooh. Ooh. Then I'm gonna. Fake lids. Done. It's very annoying. Oh shit, lashes. That's what I need. That is me done. I am done. Boom. Done. Thank me later.